Deciding whether to pay someone for pool maintenance or handle it yourself can totally change how you enjoy your pool and save your time. So, here's the deal. If you're thinking about doing your own pool maintenance, start by learning the basics like testing water chemistry regularly using a test kit. Keep the pH level between 7.2 and 7.8 to avoid skin irritation and damage to your pool equipment. Skim leaves and debris off the water surface every few days to keep it clean, and don't forget to brush the pool walls weekly to prevent algae buildup. Vacuum the pool floor once a week or so, depending on how much dirt settles. Also, check your filter system regularly, backwash it when pressure rises 10 pounds per square inch over normal. If you're short on time, set a schedule so things don't pile up and become overwhelming. Lastly, keep an eye on water levels and top off when needed because evaporation and splashing can lower it fast. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool maintenance is neglecting water chemistry, which can lead to cloudy water or algae growth. Fix this by testing and balancing chemicals weekly. Another common issue is ignoring the filter system. If you don't clean or backwash filters, your pool won't circulate properly, so make sure you follow the manufacturer's instructions for filter care. Third, many folks forget about regular physical cleaning like skimming and vacuuming, which leads to debris buildup that stresses the pump and filter. Stay on top of cleaning tasks to keep your equipment happy and your pool sparkling. BigHomeProjects.com is a great place to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to pool maintenance, making life way easier for homeowners. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more work, it helps you connect with people who really need your skills and services.